Welcome to English Speedcast.
Mark, is that really you?
Olivia, wow. I didn't expect to see you here.
Same. It's been, 5 years?
5 years and 3 months, actually. Hard to believe.
Time really slipped away, didn't it?
Yeah, and so did we.
You know, I've replayed everything in my head so many times. How we just stopped talking.
Me too. I think I was too stubborn back then. I thought you didn't care anymore.
And I thought you drifted away on purpose.
I didn't. Life got complicated. I didn't know how to communicate.
We were both hurting, but neither of us said anything.
Silence became easier than facing the truth.
So, what happened in your life these 5 years?
A lot. I changed jobs twice, tried freelancing, failed, tried again, still struggling, but better.
That sounds tough.
What about you?
I moved cities, started therapy, learned to set boundaries, grew up a little.
You look more grounded, more peaceful.
Takes time and tears.
I get that. Were you happy with your career path?
Honestly, no. I spent years chasing stability, but forgot what I actually wanted.
Which is?
To create things, to write, to be free from constant pressure.
You always loved writing.
Yeah. But I stopped believing in myself.
Maybe now you can start again. 5 years teaches you a lot.
And what about you?
I learned that I can't please everyone. I was burning out trying to be perfect.
You were always too hard on yourself.
I still am, but I'm working on it.
I still am, but I'm working on it.
Olivia, I need to say this. I'm sorry I disappeared.
I'm sorry too. I blamed you for things you didn't even know about.
We hurt each other without meaning to.
I wish we had talked instead of assuming the worst.
I miss the friendship we had.
Me too.
What was the happiest moment in these 5 years for you?
The day I learned to enjoy my own company. It felt like freedom.
That's beautiful.
And you?
When my mom recovered from her surgery. I thought I'd lose her.
I didn't know.
I didn't tell you. That's one of my regrets.
And your saddest moment?
Losing a close friend. Not by death, but by distance.
Mark.
Yeah, I meant you.
Did you fall in love in these 5 years?
I tried, but I kept comparing people to someone I shouldn't.
Who?
Someone who understood me better than anyone else.
Mark.
Don't worry, I'm not trying to make things awkward.
It's not awkward. What about you? I loved someone. It didn't last. We wanted different futures.
That must have hurt.
It did. But failure teaches you what you don't want.
And what do you want now?
Peace, growth, honest people.
Those are rare.
That's why losing a good friend is painful.
Do you think we could fix things?
I don't want to force anything.
Neither do I. I just want us to start small. Talk again. Not vanish for years.
Trust takes time, Mark.
I'm willing to give it time.
Then maybe we can rebuild. Slowly.
I'd like that.
You know, this park used to be our place.
And maybe it can be again.
How about we meet next week? Same time, no pressure,
I'd love that.
and maybe bring coffee. You still drink too much of it, right?
Guilty. Some habits don't change.
Some friendships don't either. They just sleep for a while.
Then maybe ours can wake up again.
5 years. And we finally talked.
It feels good. Like a chapter closing.
Or maybe a new one beginning.
I hope so, Liv.
Me too, Mark.